Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to claim to this combo. The first card is under PR and team. You can see right here, you click onto PR and team right here, then you click onto it, then you scroll down. The first card for today is this Hamster Kombat. So just click onto it, purchase it, and you are good. So you are good for that. So the second card is under specials. The second card is under specials. Click onto specials, then look for special Hamster Conference. Special Hamster Conference. Then click onto it, purchase that. You are good. So the third one is under Web3. You click onto Web3 right here, then you scroll down until you see a launch pad. This is the third card for today. This one, this card, this is the third card for today. You can see right here, but the condition under it is VC. You can see right here the card is locked due to the fact that we need to unlock this specific this thing. This is the padlock that is locking it. VC Labs to LV15. So what you're just gonna need to do is just look for VC Labs and upgrade it to LV15. That's just the condition. Now I finally find the VC Labs under the PR and T. You can see right here. You can see that it's under just see that it's under PR and T, and this is the card which they asked for us to upgrade to LV15, but the card has a countdown. So what we're just gonna be needing to do is you wait for it to count down, then you upgrade more until you reach LV15. So far you reach LV15, the card will be unlocked for you, so you'll be good. So unlock this card today and unlock. After unlocking this card, after it is upgraded to LV15, this you can see. You can see if you click onto it now, it will be showing you some countdown. So you have to wait for it to load, then you upgrade it to 15. This you can see this, you upgrade it to 15 LV15. It will be showing 15 right here. So and you'll be good. After doing that, you are good. Then you come back to Web3. Then you unlock this launchpad card. You can see this one. You unlock this one and you'll be good. You will claim today's 5 million combo and you'll be good. Alright, subscribe to the channel for more next content that is coming behind in the near future. So stay tuned. Cheers.